What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's video you are going to see how to use green screen on TikTok. So to do that, let me show you the steps you can follow. So first, open up your TikTok app and hit the plus sign to create a video. Next, tap the effects folder and slide over to the green screen tab. There are tons to choose from, but for now let's go with the most basic one. It should be the very first option. After you tap it, your camera roll will appear. It will be a mix of your photos and screenshots. Click the one you'd like to use and voila! Goodbye living room. You are now in Paris under the sea or in an episode of The Office. Here's Here's where it gets fun. You can reposition where your face is by moving your finger around the screen. You can also make yourself bigger or smaller. To do that, use your index and middle finger or push or expand. Once you're happy with it, how everything looks, hit the timer button and then record for however long you like. Then hit the stop button and go back to the effects folder, choose a new photo and repeat the process until you have recorded your entire video. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next video.